Okay, so just to finish up the quiz review, I want to do a couple things quick on probability, because these will definitely show up on some on the quiz and certainly on the actual MCA. Okay, so probability again is like the favorable outcome out of the total. So on our first ball here, the favorable is to get a red ball and then a blue ball. So the first one we want to be red. And so basically there are, let's see, 6 red out of 20 total. Okay, the second ball we want to be blue. And so when we draw the second ball, if it's without replacement, that means we have 19 balls left, and the blue ones are still 5, right? Because we do a red one, hopefully on the first try. So the second one to be a 5 out of 19 blue if we do a red one on the first one. Okay, so the chance of both of these things happening, multiply them together. All right, so you get 30 over 380. Okay, and so then just divide that on the calculator, and that would be the right probability. So not very likely would be another way to say that. Looks like this would be the right one. Okay, area probability. So it's the same thing, like the favorable area out of the total. So pause the video and give this one a shot before continuing. All right, so the total is 18 square feet, right? And then the favorable is the blue part, right? And so they tell us in the question that it's radius of 1. And so area formula is pi radius squared. So if you put in 1 for the radius, you're going to get 1 squared times pi, which is just pi. Okay, so the favorable is the blue circle, which is pi. So our chances of landing in the blue thing, given that we've landed somewhere in the green, is just pi over 18. So it's about 17.5% chance. Okay, so just figure out the favorable, figure out the total, divide them. That's how you do a probability. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.